Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back, sweetie.
Welcome back, NanaBOOZHOO.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NanaBOOZHOO, and over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
BOOZHOO gakina awia. Mino gi gajabe. Hello, everybody. Good morning.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. Oh, and over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. And today, on this prayer day, on this Anama e Geisha good, sweetie.
Yeah? You gonna find it?
I'm gonna try. There we go. Anama e Geisha good. It's Sunday, sweetie.
It's Sunday all day.
All day long, prayer day. And today, on this prayer day, I would like to say a very special Mino Gigajeb Gakina Awia. Good morning, everyone. Dash MIIGWECH. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. MIIGWECH.
Is that what I do?
I don't know. I couldn't think of a title this morning, so I was like, oh, I know. MIIGWECH. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to our little show about Ojibwe language and culture. I'd like to thank each and every one of you. MIIGWECH. MIIGWECH Diane.
Oh, is Diane here?
Yeah, she sure is.
Well, hey, BOOZHOO, Diane.
BOOZHOO, Diane. And Wally Bear's here too, sweetie.
No way. BOOZHOO, Wally Bear.
BOOZHOO, Niji. And, yeah, I just wanted to say, thank you. Mino Giga Shabe, Gakina Awia. Good morning, everybody. It's prayer day. And what of it, sweetie?
What of what?
I don't know. What should I talk about?
You should teach some Ojibwe.
You know what you should do?
What?
You should sit down and be quiet.
No, don't talk to me like a way. Ah!
She's fine. Is that you acting?
Yeah. I'm acting offended. Oh, how dare you?
How dare I? Nubba-dubbin. Sit down. Dush Bazan. Sit down, be quiet. Why don't you sit down and be quiet?
I am sitting down and I am quiet.
Oh, okay. Never mind then. I would never talk to you that way.
You would never be so cruel.
I could never be so cruel. Your eyes could be so cruel.
Just like I could be so cruel.
Name that tune, Bowie fans. Do 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 do. Do you think they know what song that is?
Your eyes could be so cruel. I don't think I know what song that is.
That's from Labyrinth.
Oh, is that from the Labyrinth soundtrack?
Yeah. Your eyes could be so. The one people know is how's that start? No one can blame you
for walking away.
La-dee-da-da-da, but down in the underground, you'll find someone true.
Down in the underground.
Sit down, be quiet. Okay, kids, here's a little Ojibwe cultural teachings for the morning. You know how they're always saying, oh, honor the elders. That's not our way at all. That's what the man wants you to think, right? The man, the government, they've been brainwashing you. They say, oh yeah, hey, by the way, Indians, part of your culture is to honor the elders. And guess what? we're your elders, so you better honor us. The way I talk to elders, when I see a distinguished elder, sweetie,
Yeah?
you know what I do?
You give him tobacco?
Nope. I say, Nabadabin. Shh. Bazan.
You do not.
Yep. I tell them to sit down and shut up. Listen, boomers. We never went to the moon, okay? Just sit down, shut up. I'm going to tell you something. Maybe you can learn. Maybe for once in your stupid old life, you can learn.
Sweetie, don't talk to elders that way. We're supposed to honor the elders.
Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding, you guys. I would never talk to my elders this way. But I think like this. Sometimes I want to tell the boomers, would you sit down? Would you shut up? You've been believing all kinds of stupid stuff. I almost swore. And it's because you were programmed from your dumb Woodstock and, TV. The baby boomer generation are the most naive. They believed everything they saw on TV. So when the TV said, oh yeah, we're going to land men on the moon. We will land a total of 12 men on the moon in 3 years. We will take 6 trips to the moon and back. And for the next 3 years, 1969, 1970, and 1971. Why do I always get that mixed up?
Well, the last manned space mission came back in 1972 of December.
Okay, so it's 72, 71, and 1970 is 3 years. Why do they say they did it all in 3 years? It's actually 4 years.
I don't know.
Anyway, you're going to go to the moon. We're going to play golf. That's what the news told the baby boomers. And they went, oh, okay, yeah, I believe everything you say because it's on the TV. Now I will teach the next generation that we baby boomers went to the moon, drove a dune buggy, played golf, and then came back home, parked the spaceship, and never tried again and now we're going on 50 years later. Sit down, shut up, listen. Just because you're our elders, it don't mean you know everything. You don't know nothing. And this has been your moment of disrespect to the elders. To learn more about how to disrespect your elders, tune into BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Nubba-dubbin. I don't want to get into that, though. Stupid moon landing. What do you think? Do you think we went to the moon? Yeah? Yes? Gawin? No? Or gonna budge? Maybe. What do you think, sweetie? You think we landed on the moon 6 times in 3 years? 4 years? Played golf?
Gawin.
You don't? What, you think NASA is just a bunch of liars?
Yeah? Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Gawin, no. Gonna budge? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe, baby, I'll have you. Maybe, baby, you'll be true. La-di-da-di, yeah. These are just some Ojibwe words I still had from yesterday.
Yeah. Little review.
But today, I would like to tell this story. This is the traditional Anishinaabe story, Adizuke, of the Omakaki and the Gukush and the Awisin. You see, back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a little Omakaki, a little A little frog. Omakaki, a little frog who fell in love with a big fat pig.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about, of course. This is the story of Kermit the Omakaki and Miss Piggy, the big fat goosh. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Kermit the Omakaki, he said it wasn't easy being green, sweetie.
That's what he sang about all the time.
It's not easy being green. He was lonely. He worked at Sesame Street, and he would occasionally wear a trench coat when he was being a reporter or something. But then he had to be free to strut around naked. Kermit the nudist Omakaki. And things were going well for many years. He would teach the letter of the day, Sesame Street's brought to you today by the letter T, H, and C. And then he met this old tramp, Miss Piggy. And pretty soon, Kermit, it started to hurt when today Sesame Street is brought to you by the letter P. It would hurt when he would letter P.
Get out of here.
And he suddenly had the Sesame Street's brought to you by the letters S, T, and D. And this has been the story of how Kermit the Omakaki got the STD from Miss Piggy, the transgendered cuckoosh.
You think Miss Piggy was born a male?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Why do you say that?
Well, them wears a wig.
Yeah.
I don't know. Them are kind of your stereotype. Well, have you ever listened to Miss Piggy's voice? Miss Piggy. It just sounds like a, transgendered story hour host. Couple of animals, if you ask me. I was seen. Well, so Kermit, he's now he's got the incurable HIV. Man, there's so many letters involved. And so he decides to start the Muppet Show. And he goes, you know what, I'm going to need a band. But I need a really good drummer. And that's when he hired, I was seen, Animal. And Animal was he was kind of a coke fiend. He loved the cocaine. And he had a real big drug problem. He could only repeat his name. He'd be like, Animal, Animal. And eventually, Miss Piggy, because she's a tramp, cheated on Kermit with I was seen, Animal. And she became pregnant. And then because she's a feminist, she snuffed that little baby right out.
No, shut up.
Today is Ojibwe word, abortion. Nah. What am I doing, sweetie?
I don't know.
I was seeing Animal. I don't know. This morning when I was thinking about this show, I was like, oh yeah, I'll have these guys call in. But somebody didn't feel like having to impersonate a bunch of voices, huh, Michael? Don't look at me. Just phoning it in today, aren't you? And these are your Ojibwe words of the day. Omakaki is a frog. Gukush is transgendered. And I was seen, Animal. And these are just a few words for the kids. I hope you learned something. I know that you did. La-di-da-di, hoka, hey, hey.
Maybe, baby. Hey, weren't you going to talk about Alan Watts?
Oh, yeah. What was that thing? Yeah, this is pretty funny. The other day we were talking about Alan Watts. And I know Diane knows who Alan Watts is. But if there's any young people here, Alan Watts back in the 70s was this really cool, like, I don't want to call him a hippie because he wasn't just a greasy pot smoking, listening to Bob Dylan. But Alan Watts was a philosopher. He was an American guy who would wear robes, and he had like a cool little beard, and he'd give lectures and stuff, and he'd talk about life and that. And I'm probably going to get a copyright strike for this. So whatever. I hope it doesn't. I know sometimes live streams, when you play a copyrighted video, it'll just shut off. If the if live stream just shuts off, I'll come right back on. I'm not sure how powerful Big Brother is on YouTube.
Yeah, no kidding.
But this is a video with Alan Watts narrating, and he's talking about life. And the guys who made South Park animated this. It was one of their earliest projects, and so it's just really sweet. Anyway, I wanted to share this, and then we'll talk about it. Alan Watts and South Park guys. Life and music, sweetie. Ah.
In music, one doesn't make the end of a composition the point of the composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest.
Yeah.
And there would be composers who wrote only finales. People go to concert just to hear one crashing chord, because that's the end. But we don't see that as something brought by our education into our everyday conduct. We've got a system of schooling which gives a completely different impression. It's all graded. And what we do is we put the child into the corridor of this grade system with a kind of, come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. And yeah, you go to kindergarten, and that's a great thing because when you finish that, you'll get into first grade. And then, come on, first grade leads to second grade, and so on, and then you get out of grade school, you've got high school, and it's revving up, the thing is coming. Then you're going to go to college, and by Jove, then you get into graduate school, and when you're through with graduate school, you go out to join the world. And then you get into some racket where you're selling insurance.
Some racket.
And they've got that quota to make. And you're going to make that. And all the time, this thing is coming. It's coming. It's coming. That great thing, the success you're working for. Then when you wake up one day about 40 years old, you say, my God, I've arrived. I'm there. And you don't feel very different from what you always felt. And there's a slight letdown because you feel there's a hoax. And there was a hoax. A dreadful hoax. They made you miss everything. We thought of life by analogy with a journey, with a pilgrimage, which had a serious purpose at the end, and the thing was to get to that end, success or whatever it is, or maybe heaven after you're dead. But we missed the point the whole way along. It was a musical thing, and you were supposed to sing or to dance while the music was being played.
That is cool.
Isn't that great? Life and music. Trey Parker and Matt Stone. And Alan Watts. Oh, we're getting just deep on the show, huh, sweetie?
Yeah.
But when I saw that the first time, I was like, man, he's so right. I've always kind of thought of my life as a journey where I began someplace, but I got to get to that place. And then once you get to the thing, you'll be, then you'll be okay. I'll be happy, just if I can just make it to whatever. But then he's like, no, man, it's like a song. You're not meant just to get to that last note of the song. The point of a song isn't to get through it, to get to the end. It's to, dance and sing through it.
Yeah.
You got to rock and roll all night and party every day.
I think that's what Alan Watts was saying, huh?
Pretty much. The wisdom of Alan Watts. One must rock and roll all night and party every day. That's also the wisdom of Paul Stanley, huh, Paul?
You got it, NanaBOOZHOO.
Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley.
How's it going, people? I got a question for y'all. What's the Ojibwe word of the day? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Are you talking to me or to the BOOZHOO crew?
I'm talking to you, NanaBOOZHOO. What's the Ojibwe word of the day?
Okay. Today's Ojibwe word, Paul, is Anima-A-Gisha. It's Anima-A-Gisha Good Prayer Day.
Anima-A-Gisha Good Prayer Day. That's a good word, NanaBOOZHOO. I like it. Ow!
Okay. Paul Stanley, guys. Anima-A-Gisha Good. On this, I haven't said a prayer yet, sweetie.
Do you want me to go outside and say a prayer?
Would you mind going outside and saying a prayer for us?
Yeah, for sure. I could say a prayer for us.
Tell you what. Let's play a kiss tune, and then we'll turn the camera over to you.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to turn the camera over to the lovely and talented Natasha. But first, you wanted the best. You got the best. The hottest podcast in the land. This is rock and roll all night and party every day.
Oh, yeah. Anyway.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you show us everything you've got. Oh, baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
I wanna rock and roll all night and party in the dark. Okay, what's going on here? I'm in the black void of nothingness. Boop, boop, boop.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm somewhere. I'm nowhere.
You want to come home?
Would you teleport me back?
Yeah, you got it. Hang on.
I'm going to teleport.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. That's more like it. How come that wasn't working?
Oh, here we go, sweetie.
Oh, did you figure it out?
Yep.
Hey, everybody! BOOZHOO! Natasha Nindisha Nakaz. Natasha is my name. And Treble is my game. No. Did you want to teleport me outside so I can say, put a little tobacco and say a prayer?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go outside.
Any place in particular?
You know, it's that same place we were yesterday by that little lake. That was nice.
Okay, hang on. Scanning for your coordinates.
I'm right here, silly.
Okay. And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No. Oh, Mino Gigaje, Banishayag. Good morning, birds. I'm great. Oh, well, thank you. Yes, it's a new little jumper. I think I got it at Target or Walmart. I got it at Walmart. Well, thank you. MIIGWECH. MIIGWECH. Thank you. That's our Ojibwe word of the day. Okay. I'm gonna put out some tobacco and then I'm gonna say a little prayer. Okay. These crazy birds. What do I do with my... There we go. I say my tobacco. On my egg, you should good prayer day. It's a good day to say a little prayer. Most of the time when I pray to the Great Spirit. But that's just another way of praying to God or to our Father who art in heaven. I don't care. I think it's the same one God. You can call him what you want. So you can say, Gitchimanadu, Great Spirit. Or you can also say, Nusana Wak Wing Abion. Our Father who art in heaven. Hallowed be thy name. Is the name of an Iron Maiden album, I think. But Nusana Wak Father in heaven. You, Father in Abion. Gitchimanadu. Great Spirit. Accept my tobacco. Otapanan niwi asema. Miigwech. Kaiji kakina keku. Kaiji chikan. Noon gum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Everything. I don't even care. Even for keeping the mosquitoes alive. Do what thou wilt. Thy will be done. You know. Miigwech, Kaiji Pamadazian. Thank you for my life. Miigwech, Kaiji, way buck. Thank you for this weather. Miigwech. I guess thank you for the path I've been on. I sort of feel like, and I hope I'm not wrong, I like to think that, number one, you exist and you can hear me. But I also like to think that you're sort of guiding my life. That when the elders talk about walking the red road or walking the path, that I'm on the path that you put me on. Like there is some, not a destination to get to, you know, but this song that I'm singing along, you know, I hope I'm singing in tune with the cosmic cosmic. Listen to me. Cosmic. With the heavenly, the creator's purpose in my life. I don't know. I pray to you. I pray to you. Nothing ever goes away. Nothing ever goes away. But, I prayed that you would show me the path and then take care of me. And it seems like you're taking care of me pretty well. I gotta say. The bills are paid. I'm in good health. I have a good relationship with my boyfriend, NANABOOZHOO. I have a good friendship with Michael Lyons. I have people on the BOOZHOO crew who come and, share time with us. There's so much I have to be grateful for. MIIGWECH wendem. Oh, Mino bamadas iyan. Get you manadu. MIIGWECH wendem. I'm grateful for this good life, Great Spirit. Kaiji Mino bamadas iyan. But if I'm pressed, I have to also leave room for some doubt. Sometimes I wonder, am I just talking to the birds here? Are the birds the only ones who hear my prayer? I don't know. Gimmick Wayne Dane and I'm sorry. Gaween Ninka Kane Dunzine. Gaween Ninka Kane Dunzine. I don't know. I mean, you're asking me, well, I love grow. I don't know. I don't know. Gimmick Gaween Ninka Kane Dunzine. Anyway, thank you for everything. And thank you for healing my grief. MIIGWECH. Gay. Niwi gashkenda moen. Niwi osi wendem. Thank you for healing my grief, my sorrow. With your long blonde hair and your eyes are blue, the only thing I ever got from you was sorrow. Sorrow. I got Bowie songs on the mind today. I don't know why. Anyway, thanks for listening. MIIGWECH is a dowie egg. Ape and gay. Amen. With your long blonde hair and your eyes are blue, the only thing I ever got from you's was sorrow. Gosh, came to mowing. I don't know. Maybe I should just go back. Maybe I should turn around. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I should turn around. I'm looking for a station 'cause there's no acceleration to get back. Oh yeah. My gauge shows red and my battery is dead. I better find my spare. Maybe I should turn around. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I should turn around. Speed back to my baby. And I'm speeding back. Whoa. Nah. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, baby doll. Yeah, I'm speeding back. Speeding back. Speeding back to my baby. You want me to teleport you? Yeah, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Would you please teleport me home? Weenie Mooshane, sweetheart.
Yeah, you got it. Hang on, I'm gonna scan for your coordinates.
Alright.
Don't move.
I won't.
When to teleport?
Make it so, number one. you know, maybe I should turn around, maybe I should stop.
Maybe I should turn around.
Speeding back to my baby. And I don't mean maybe. Hey, I don't mean gonna budge.
Hey, there you go. You tied in that old Ace Frehley song.
Yeah. Speaking of Ace Frehley, gonna budge. Yesterday you brought up a really interesting idea about Kiss.
What's that?
When we were talking about who could replace Paul Stanley if Paul Stanley retires.
Oh, yeah. With Johnny Depp.
Yeah. I'd like to do a informal, non-scientific survey. Your options are A, going, or gonna budge. Yes, no, or maybe. If, heaven forbid, the inevitable happens, and Paul Stanley decides not to go on anymore in Kiss, he's gonna hang up his wig and platform heels and wipe off the Star Child makeup for the last time for the final curtain call. But, Kiss has to continue. So yesterday, NanaBOOZHOO was talking about Johnny Depp. Could Johnny Depp take the place of Paul Stanley? Now, naturally, before everyone votes, no, I don't think Johnny Depp can sing like Paul Stanley. And I've heard him sing. He's got, he did that musical.
Oh, yeah, he did the Barber of Seville or whatever. He kind of sounded like David Bowie.
Yeah, he could sort of pull off a Bowie. But I think Johnny Depp could totally sing Ace Frehley songs.
You mean like Shock Me and Rocket Ride and all that?
Yeah, any of the, even Cold Gin and those ones that Ace wrote, but Gene sings. I think Johnny Depp, and more importantly than being able to sing or play guitar, which he can do, he's okay. He can play rhythm, electric guitar just fine. But most importantly, he plays guitar really low.
You think that's the most important thing?
Oh yeah, if you're gonna be in Kiss, you gotta have, number one, white makeup, white and black makeup. You gotta look cool. You can't be fat. Well, I can be fat. Gene Simmons is fat.
Yeah, you can be fat.
But you can't play your guitar way up high like Dave Matthews. It's gotta be way low. And that's how Johnny Depp plays his guitar. We used to even have a video of Johnny Depp playing the guitar. Let me see if I can find that. Dig, if you will, a picture of Johnny Depp in the band Kiss. The band Kiss, like I gotta explain. The sweat of your body covers me. La-di-da-di. If I can't find this commercial immediately, sweetie,
Yeah?
I'm just gonna bail.
You're not going to spend the rest of the show just digging through old videos?
No, I don't think so. But I feel like I'm really close to where it was. We have way too many videos, sweetie.
I know, it's ridiculous.
Oh, here we go. I think this is it. Since we're just going to get a copyright strike today anyway. All right. Okay, I guess we can shut off the terrible music. But here's Johnny Depp, right? There he is. Oh, look out. Here's an Anishinaabe. And he's up there. He's, oh, what's on here? Oh, it's my guitar. But look how low he plays that guitar.
Yeah, he knows how to kind of pose and play the guitar.
And look, he plays all by himself with no amplifier.
Yep, and he's got lots of earrings.
Yep. So, put him in some platform heels, and he can wear the Tonto makeup, And then he could be the singer of Kiss.
Yeah. I think you're onto something there.
Well, it was really your idea.
Johnny Depp, the Savage.
That's sauvage. Don't be a racist.
Oh, sauvage. That makes it less racist.
Yeah, it does. Sauvage. That's French for, dirty savage. So what do you think? This is only if, I'm not saying Paul Stanley has to quit, but if the day comes where Paul Stanley retires, should Kiss hire Johnny Depp to play the Crow Man or whatever, to be the new singer? And he can just he can sing the Ace Frehley songs, and it'll just be Ace Frehley and Gene Simmons songs. And they'll just retire the Paul Stanley songs. We don't need to hear, Love Gun anymore. That's fine.
Have you had enough of Love Gun?
I've had enough of Love Gun to last me a lifetime. Oh, you can run, you can hide, but you never get away. What? So, enter your answers now. Yeah? Yes? You want to see what's his name? Johnny Depp in Kiss? Or Gawain? You don't want to see him in Kiss? Or Gonna Budge? Maybe. I don't know. I can't decide. If you're like that, say Gonna Budge. Wally Bear says, hell Gawain! You don't want to see Johnny Depp in Kiss? Wally Bear is a serious Kiss fan.
Yeah, he is.
That's sacrilege! Anyway. Maybe, baby, I'll have you. Why is that song on my mind?
I think you're looking for Ruby Ruby.
I'm looking for Ruby. Ruby. Hey, Cherilist is here.
Okay.
BOOZHOO, Cherilist. With your long blonde hair, I couldn't sleep at night. Yeah, Cherilist knows Bowie. With your long blonde hair and your eyes of blue, the only thing I ever got from you was sorrow. What's your favorite David Bowie deep track?
Oh, I couldn't just bring it down to one song. What's yours?
Sorrow.
Is it really?
No, I don't know. That's an impossible question. Yes, no, maybe. La 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 la. Okay. Wally Bear says Ry Cooder played that bit for Johnny Depp in the Sauvage commercial. Oh, really? He's not even good enough to play that simple blues. Yeah. Well, because he was obviously not playing in the commercial. It's an electric guitar. There's no amplifier anywhere. Or electricity out in the mountains. So if you're really watching that, it'd just be some weirdo all by himself plunking a silent guitar. Johnny Depp really wants to be an Indian bad.
Yeah, he does.
He's got red blood. He's got native blood runs through his veins. He even tattooed like Crazy Horse or Sitting Bull or somebody on his arm.
Yeah.
Who would do that? Oh, look at me. I got another man's face tattooed on my arm. Like, you ever watch those crazy Kiss fans? And they'll tattoo Kiss faces on their body. I'm like, what in the world? I don't know. Anyway, so what else, baby doll?
I don't know. Did you want to talk about Michael's books?
I could talk about Michael's books. Want me to do a plug for your books today, Michael?
Sure.
Hey, everybody! Did you know that Michael Lyons was a cartoonist? And he wrote and illustrated a number of books in Ojibwe language. if you'd like to support the show and Michael Lyons, you can click the links at Amazon.com or click the links in the description. The description box. Michael has books like Dog and Machine Gun, Counting to 10, and Ojibwe Mowing by Michael Lyons. And so many other children's picture books, novelettes, comics. What else?
Coloring books.
Coloring books. Oh, he's done it all. Is there anything you can't do?
Most things. Fix my car.
Fix your car. La 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 la. Ho 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 hey. Support us at PayPal, Patreon, and GoFundMe. And that's all I have to say about that. Oh. What do you think, fellas? You got anything you want to add?
Want to take a call?
Who said that?
I said that.
Okay. Do I want to take a call? A phone call?
Yeah, the Queen's online too.
Okay. Hello, Queen of England. Welcome back to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. I thought you were on the air. Sweetie, is she on line 2?
Oh, I'm sorry, it's line 3.
Okay, line 3. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Well, hello, love. It's me, the Queen Mum of England, it is.
Well, hello, Queen of England, Elizabeth. Can I call you Lizzie?
Well, you can call me Lizzie, love. All my friends, they call me Lizzie or they call me Lizard.
They call you Lizard?
That's right. I'm a lizard person. I'm a shapeshifter, I am.
You're a shapeshifter?
Oh, that's right. You don't think I actually look like this? This is just one of my shapes I've shifted into, love. Oh, I'm an unholy shape-shifting lizard person, I am.
Wow, I always thought that, sweetie.
What's that?
Well, that the Queen of England was either like a vampire or some sort of a lizard creature. I mean, I don't believe in aliens, but whatever those lizard people were who can shapeshift and stuff. Wow. What can I do for you, Queen of England?
Well, love, I want to learn your Ojibwe word of the day.
Okay. Well, today is MIIGWECH. It's prayer day. This is the day. This is what we call Sunday in Ojibwe.
Whoa, MIIGWECH. A prayer day?
Yep, that's right. Prayer day.
Oh, that's lovely. MIIGWECH.
Yep, keys are good. And if you'd like to say good morning, everybody, you can say Mino Gigashabe Gakina Awiya.
Mino Gigashabe Gakina Awiya. Good morning, everybody. Oh, that's just lovely, love.
Okay. And oh, here's a good one. You probably want to know how to say this. If you ever want to tell somebody to sit down, you say Nubbadubin.
Nubbadubin, sit down.
Yep. And to tell them to be quiet, you say Bizon.
Oh, Bizon, be quiet. Nubbadubin, Bizon. That's what I'd want to tell me grandson. Harry, oh, he's a pain in me arse.
Harry, Prince Harry?
Oh, that's right. I married a wretch. I don't like that Meghan Markle one bit, I don't.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, what guy's an American marrying an Englishman? I don't know anymore.
I'm sorry, you're not wild about your grandson. And how's that old Prince Charles doing? He's your son, right?
Oh, he's a lovely boy. He's a lovely lad, Prince Charles. He's always asking, Mum, when can I be king? And I'm like, oh, I will live forever, Charles. You'll never be king. You'll never sit on this throne. No, it's mine.
Okay. Well, listen, Queen, I better get going. All right, love. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Giga waba min, minowa. Well, giga waba min, minowa, love. You too, Queen. I'll see you again. The Queen of England.
Oh, she's just so sweet.
Isn't she, though? I just love her. Anywho, late last night, they loved you opening doors and pulling some strings. Come get up, my baby. In walk luck and you looked in time. Better walk fast, walk tall, act fine. Wally Bear's quoting Bowie.
Late last night they loved you, opening doors and pulling some strings.
Angel,
Come up the baby.
in walk luck and you looked in time. Never look back, walk tall, act fine.
Come up the baby.
I'll stick with you, baby, for 1,000 years.
Nothing's gonna touch you in these
Golden years, here, gold. Yeah, that's a great song. But otherwise, you know what? I think we should land the plane.
Do you want to send them out to build a home?
Yeah. This is a song, called To Build a Home by, what's the name of this band?
Oh, I always forget. It's not Orchestral Maneuvers in the Dark.
No, it's orchestral cinema or something. It's called To Build a Home. MIIGWECH is a egg. BOOZHOO! Bungissimo! Sunset. Although, how can you tell if it's a sunset or a sunrise? Maybe that guy out there is fishing just in the morning.
There is a house built out of stone. Wooden floors, walls, and window sills. Tables and chairs worn by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. Oh, Wally Bear knows Oni. Yeah, I miss her too.
Oh, sweetie!
Just got triggered.
Stupid.
I know it's stupid.
Can we go outside and pray on it?
Oh,
For you.
for me
Until it disappears
from me, from you.
and now it's time to leave you and turn to dust. Maybe I should say a prayer. Asema. Get your money do. Otapana niwi asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco.
Out in the garden where we planted the seeds, there There is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color green. Ground had arose and past its knees. By the cracks of the skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the gust came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me.
Nusana wakwing abian. Apikish, get you going to make it in Jerusalem. Apikish, beat up, mission hook, Kituki Maviman. Apikish, Asian Fish, oh, Iraqi, free, Irish women, free, Shishinan, no, Akish, come to. It is so big, easy nish complete. You guy, easy nish way. It's time Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.